Welcome guys. Today we are looking at how to remove the decimal part of a number. So we have 15.59 here and we just want to take off the decimal part of the number without rounding it up or down. So rounding down would mean it's 15 and rounding up it's 16. So we just want to take off the decimal part. So it doesn't matter whether it's above 0.5 or whatever. We just want to remove the decimal part. So you can make use of a formula called Trunc. Equals Trunc. Then you just select the number and it asks you the number of digits that you want to leave. So we want to leave 0 digits. So we want to remove all the decimal places. So here I should use a semicolon, not a comma. So these are my settings on my computer. So I use semicolon instead of a comma to separate between my two different parameters. Then I say okay. Then it gives me 15. And even if I increase the decimal point here, you can see it's 15.0000, which means it has just removed the decimal part of the number. If you have enjoyed the video, please like and comment on it. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.